Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a special news, and our news is about Chimp knocks down drone. Chimp knocks down drone. A drone flew in the skies above a chimpanzee enclosure at a zoo in the Netherlands as they tried to take footage for a TV show. Program makers had hoped to capture the enclosure from the above, but another camera caught the moment that a chimp hit the aircraft with a stick. It looked like it is not just humans who are concerned about their privacy. As the drone approached, the chimpanzee was perched on a branch. The chimp then lashed out with a stick and scored a direct hit. The aircraft fell to the ground, and the chimpanzee wandered over for a closer look. Once the chimp got hold of the camera, it captured a video selfie. This is the end of our news for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.